Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create typography text portrait design in Photoshop. Select image which you want for typography portrait. Now add text matter. Create half portion of image is visible using clipping mask. Duplicate the image layer. Invert the image clipping mask by holding Ctrl+I button. Hide the layer. Move text matter layer above image layer. Now align with half face portion. Follow the process. Unhide the second half face portion. And clip that layer on text layer. Open the layer style option of text layer and apply stroke and press OK. Follow the process. Follow the process. Apply one color strip on eye. I think it looks good. Apply layer style on that layer and use color overlay to change color which you want. Change blending mode normal to multiply. Remove the unwanted area. Follow the process. Change background color which you use on strip color. This is the final result. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.